Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about tabs in Flutter. How to create your tabs in Flutter. And as you can see here, I don't have anything. I just have my stateless widget. So if you want to, you need a controller, and the best way is put your cursor on the scaffold and wrap with a default tab controller. And after doing that, you provide a length. So here I'll be using length of 3 because I want to have 3 tabs. Yeah, and if you don't know what this is yet, you soon understand what the tabs are. They are just the little navigations like on your WhatsApp. So then after that, you go into your app bar and provide a button for your app bar. So here you have the tab bar, and inside your tab bar you have tabs. So since I provided the length of 3 for my tab controller, you create 3 tabs here. And as you know, your tabs just need icon or a text. You are using the icon. Just have this around the icon. Copy and paste for the others. And now if I save it, you can see my tab over there. If you navigate, it shows nothing now actually. So I have to add my body. As you all know, we need a body in our app. So you just go outside your app bar and add the body property. And now we have the tab bar view. So create children, and now in the children we need the pages of a page. Like we need 3 because we created length, we provided the length of 3. And the first thing I'll be adding icons just to show you guys how it works. So add 3 icons here, and the icons will be the same as the icons I have in the tab. If I save and run this now, I see the icons in our body. Now if you navigate, you see the page changes, and so does the icon. Alright, now let's try to add real pages in our app. So yeah, I'll just create a new folder. A new file. No, a new folder called tabs. And inside there I'll create 3 new files. And then I'll just create stateless widgets for each. No need for my run app anymore. And don't forget to import your material, your Flutter material. That. So yeah, I'll just have the widget I want to have, like a text. And if you are watching this and you're enjoying the video, then a subscription to the channel, it will be fantabulous. Alright, now I'm back to our main that. Then I have to import all the files we created and use them in the body, as I'm doing now. So location, car rental. Okay, add a constant because they are all constant. I see they are all imported there. Now if I save this, and I can see the car, the location, and the account. Now you have to make sure the pages are arranged in order the way you want it to be, or else they will be mixed up somewhere. And here's where we'll stop today. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.